Hello everybody, welcome to another Quinn top gameplay. Today we are facing good old Jayce. This was a long time ago. I'm just clearing up my folder, putting some videos up that I was posted a long time ago before when I started working like every single day for the last 2 weeks. I'm gonna say it one more time if you guys didn't know, and after that I won't repeat because I don't know who watches what video. So I've been working for 2 weeks non-stop every single day. Now I got like 4 days until this week I finally got some days off. So I think I'm gonna work like 2 more days next week and weekend till Wednesday. So 4 days. I have 4 days to play some games and relax. And after that, school's gonna start. How are you guys feeling? School's about to start. It's been a while. I missed it. This Oh yeah, mana. I ran out of mana, so I had to burn my flash. Sadly. Oh yeah, I edited this down, right? I forgot. So this Jayce was super annoying. This is when I learned text should come up right about now. Uh, oh no, it's the second trade. After this, I learned that I should not trade with opening E. I should learn not to use E for trade. Yes. Yeah, I noticed that fucking Jayce is just point and click. He thinks he's being sneaky. I'll show him how to be sneaky later on this game. So this game, we solo died quite a couple of times. This was a long time ago. This is me learning up the matchup. But hey, I think I learned up the matchup after this. I like that he gets mana too. It's funny. I got my electrocute proc. His was not too bad, but I was playing a little too aggro. Fun, yeah, payback soon. I was playing too aggro because he's just playing so passive. It was annoying the fuck out of me. I wouldn't just come up to the wave and not at all. He would just take the wave, and I played over aggressive. I played passes medias many times. Yeah, me complaining on down below. I mean, I have a point click combo too. It's auto e auto, but his does more damage than mine, and his is unavoidable just like mine. But he just does so much damage. So I wait for his hammer form, and I still lose. I was once again out of mana. My E did not go off, but it's okay. It's a long time ago. I think I die one more time, and after that we just go for a full snowball. So this was before me going to Yomu's. I'm not sure if Yomu's was updated during this patch, so maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Before Yomu's became a mythic, right? Cancel that. Be good. Nice little gang. Making sure. I didn't need it to ignite, but she doesn't know my damage, which is okay. I had a heavier coming up, so there's that. I wish Sejuani. I'm looking at Sejuani. Does she stay for a scuttle? No, he was coming right away, but I just entered it because he was in the bush. This is my last death. I kind of hated this Jayce player. He was so passive. I had the exact same problem with a Ken player. Yeah, last death for the game. Cannon was so scared, super passive player, so he would just run behind, and I want to duke it out early game when I'm strong, so I'm playing super aggressive, and they're just backing up and just throwing Qs, and I can't do anything because they're out of range and just they refuse to walk up the wave, so super annoying, and that's how I lost because of getting poked out. Because I want to trade and they don't even let me. He changed forms, he can't do anything, it's just unlucky boy. I was quite angry at this Jayce. Because he's like super passive. Just recall. think I go static. I am tired, man. Let me think. I think I sneak into the bush. I'm not sure if he sees me because of the melee minions. Whether he can see me go to the bush from the bottom left. I'm not sure. I guess he doesn't see me because he goes in, right? E, he changes form. Now I can use my E. Whenever he changes forms, he can't change back for levels. I'm super annoying. I'm like die already. Freaking annoyance. He TP'd back to lane. That's why I recalled. By the way, he had TP. I have ignite. Oh, he misses his stuff, which is nice. So he pushes me the wrong way, kind of like Quinn E. When you E the wrong way, you're fucked, just like Jayce. Yeah, I remember this. I was building Eclipse before Yomu's. I built Eclipse for a while because of a habit of mine building Eclipse or Duskblade. Not Duskblade. I don't remember what I was building. No clue. This is Ari and I. So rest of the team is losing. Bot is losing. Jungle is fine. Me and Ari will do a lot of work this game. And Cannon. I get my static shift. Oh yeah, we'll see. I have to play any games and new builds and split pudding. Split pudding. Do you guys like split pudding? Pudding is great. Split pushing. Races cannon blast, whatever thing Jayce does, I'm not sure. Use my E. So he was waiting for my he's waiting for me to use my E, right? Yeah, Swain is FFing. Let's see. I did press tab, so how bad is bot lane? No, motherfucker. There you go. So 4-4. They're not even losing. Why are they FFing? I guess Wu was quite strong. Mid is losing hardcore. I don't know what is wrong with them, man. People are so weak. Grow up. When I lose lane, I don't fucking spam FF. Unless other side is losing. If other side is losing, I'll be fucking playing the game. And let them carry me. Okay, man, I'm here to win. I think, yep, my auto went through, as well as Ari's R. Or W, I'm not sure I'm gonna double out. I'm like ping on the way for Zeref. I'm like, he probably wants to clear the wave and recall. And guess what? He clears the wave and recalls, and I give him a nice greeting. Hi! How you doing, cutie? Mrs. Stun. Green light, just get his stuff. Nice clear wave, static. I am not sure whether I want to go static first into assassin builds or not. The wave clear is insane, don't get me wrong. Farming is insane, and it's a really consistent way of getting yourself ahead. I do not know. Maybe I'll go Yomu's. Maybe thinking. Maybe static Yomu's, but I want to. I guess I take Relentless Hunter, so I can get some speed out of him. I don't know, I need to make some calculations and decide afterwards, but on top of my head, I don't remember. So, they lose at Baron. They're going for Baron, right? Jayce TP's like an idiot. Ari hits a charm, just gets destroyed. They're on Baron, by the way. I think they're sleeping. They don't. Yeah, meanwhile, they're still on the Baron. They didn't even notice. Oh, Sejuani surrenders. Good job by Swain. He stalls. Nice job. We just end the game. That's really good by Swain. Good job. And it's just split pushing. Pretty easy game. And that's about it. I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys until next time. This bad boy is done. Get rid of that, and peace out, boys.